In today's video, I am going to teach you how to capture quickly in Notion. Start by opening Notion and going to the Getting Started page in your workspace. This is just a convenient place to begin, and the steps will work the same way in any workspace or page. Once you are on Getting Started, click into the page area to place your cursor, then choose Empty Page. This creates a fresh page where you can build a simple quick capture system without distractions. Click into the New Page title area and type Quick Capture. Keeping the name short and clear helps you find it quickly later, especially when you link it from other pages. Next, click into the body of the Quick Capture page. You are going to add a database here, so select Database. This will create a structured place to drop ideas, tasks, or notes as fast as possible. After the database appears, click inside it so it is active. Now add a useful property for tracking when items come in. Click Add Property, then select Created Time. This automatically stamps each entry with the moment it was created, which is helpful when you review your inbox later. After you add it, click the property name field and type a clearer label like Created. Renaming properties keeps your table clean and easy to scan. Then add one more property to support quick processing. Click to add a new property again and choose Checkbox. This gives you a simple way to mark items as handled. Leave it as a checkbox so you can tick it off during your review. With the Quick Capture database set up, move to your dashboard page. Click into the page content area. Then type the / command to add a linked database view. Choose Linked View of Data Source. Then select your Quick Capture database from the list. This places a live view of the same database on your dashboard, so you can capture new items right where you work. Finally, click into the linked Quick Capture view to confirm it is ready. From here, you can add new rows anytime, and they will appear in the original database as well. That covers everything you need to know.